Welcome to our Trade of the Day video for October 15, 2014. Our trade of the day today is a short New Zealand dollar, US dollar position. We see yesterday's price activity in this daily chart. We had a significant move lower in the New Zealand dollar. When we draw some retracement lines, as we're doing right now, we see that today's intraday high is right at the 38.2% retracement level of yesterday's range. That is where we got short today on our trade of the day. When we look at the entire October intramonth range, the low of 77.13 from the 6th of October through the high of 79.73 on the 9th of October, we see the 61.8% retracement level comes in at 78.12. That is this blue horizontal line here. That is where we exited the trade today for a notional gain of 44 pips. Let's go ahead and look at our weekly chart here. We want to note something very interesting. When we scroll back and we look at the range from the low of 48.91 in 2009 all the way up to the high up above 85 in 2011, we can see our first key retracement level, 23.6%, coming in at 79.09. When we look at where we have traded as a high this week, we can see that 79.09 level was toppish. This underscores the fact that it is important to look at relative historical ranges, even from a longer term perspective. Let's go ahead and finish off by taking a look at our monthly chart. In our monthly chart, we have drawn some relative retracement lines. When we look at the low from 2011 of 7114 up through the high that we saw in 2014, we see that our 50% retracement level of this very important range comes in at 79.78. When we look at our monthly high in October 2014, we can see we're only 5 pips away from that level. So again, this underscores the fact it's important to keep these levels in mind. On the downside, of course, we're looking at 77.74 as a downside target. On the upside, we're looking at that 79.78. And then we have a moving average, the 50-month moving average at 81.04. Finally, some other targets. Let's keep in mind this 79.54 level here that we see on this weekly chart. And on the downside, we have a relative historical low dating back to 2013 of 76.82. Thank you for tuning in to today's Trade of the Day video.